Hi, friends. So, we have been learning this week all about the three little pigs. And we've heard in the story of the three little pigs, we've heard a couple of times, we've heard that the brick house was the strongest. And it was the only one that could withstand the wolf's wind, right? So, I thought, why not try it out and see if that's really true? So I have some straw. I just actually went in my backyard and I got some straw. And I have some sticks. You know, we use popsicle sticks a lot for steam. So I have some sticks. And then for bricks, I have some blocks and some Legos. So I thought, let's try it out. See if we can build a shelter for the pig. Doesn't have to be great. We just want to hide the pig in there. And then we're going to see if we can blow it down with the hair dryer. What's going to happen? So let's see. I'm going to get my pigs. So the first little pig built his house of straw, right? So let's see if I can build some sort of structure here for my pig. Can you guys see that? Okay, there's my pig. So let's see if I can cover him up. I'm gonna have to clean my counters really well after bringing in all this dirty stuff. Let's cover him up with the straw. All right, he's pretty covered. There's a little house for him. You know, this house doesn't have to be great because, you know, in our story, it's not like this was a super strong house or anything. All right, now he is in there, and our book says he was in his house and he was taking a bath. So we can pretend like he's in his house and he's taking a bath. And all of a sudden, who shows up? That's right. It's Big Bad Wolf. And what does he do? Yep. He knocks on the door. Did you guys hear that? Knock, knock, knock. And what does he say? Little pig, let me come in. Put him right there. And I'm going to pull this back down. And the pig says, no, no, not by the hairs on my chinny chin chin. The wolf says, then I will huff and I will puff and I will blow your house in. Let's see if that is what happens. I'm going to scoot the house over a little bit. All right. So the wolf huffs and he puffs. And can you guys see that? Oh boy. Did that house stand strong? No way. That house blew right down. It completely blew over. It blew right off. The pig started to blow with it. And then he runs, right? Run to his brother's house. All right. So let me get our little pig who builds his house out of sticks. So where's my second little pig? Little pig, where are you? Here he is. All right, and I have some more popsicle sticks because this one might take a little bit longer. Okay, got some popsicle sticks. And you guys, you know, we can make this a lot of different ways. I think let's see. We gotta do it, you know, we don't want to spend all day on this one, but building our stick house. I will tell you already, this is sturdier for sure. Let's see if I can build a roof somehow. See if you guys can build a roof too. Whoop, no. My wolf is trying to fall down. I'll keep doing what I was doing. Building our stick house. Maybe. I've got some smaller popsicle sticks too. Maybe I could lean a couple of those together. I don't know. I'll just keep putting my sticks on. I guess it doesn't have to be perfect, but I would like to be able to get some sort of roof. If I could. Okay, well, we'll just keep building our stick house. All right, maybe they've got a window. And maybe a window again. I mean, I'm using a lot of sticks. It might be kind of sturdy. I don't know. Our story says it's not sturdy. But we'll see. You can kind of see those little pigs in there. And I honestly don't know if our pigs had this many sticks or not, but all right, there we go. Well, that is some kind of interesting house. All right, so those pigs are at home, and all of a sudden, who shows up? That's right, Big and Bad. It's the big bad. And he knocks on the door. And what does he say? Little pigs, let me come in. Did they let him in? No, that would be no fun in the story. They say, no, not by the hairs of our chinny chin chins. And he says, then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down. So here we go. He's gonna huff and puff and huff and puff. Let's see. Not a lot happening yet. Oh no. Oh no, some sticks are blowing. Sticks are blowing. Go. I might need a stronger hairdryer. Go, sticks, go. Ah, there they go. I'm helping them a little bit. The sticks are flying. Let's go on this side. Whoa, there goes some sticks. Whoa, that wolf had to blow a whole lot harder to get that stick house down than he did the straw house. Now I'm wondering, do we think he can blow down the brick house? I don't know. All right, I'm gonna pause here just for a second and clean up some of this mess and then get out my bricks. Okay, hi everybody, I'm back. I cleaned up some and I got out the bricks and the blocks, the Legos and the blocks that I have at my house. I don't have a ton of this kind of stuff at my house. So I got out what I had. So the last time when we left off, we had Horace and Boris were running to Percy's house. So now it's time to build a house of bricks. Now you may have more Legos than me, so you might be able to build an even bigger castle. But I'm going to use what I have, and I'm going to build something for these pigs. All right, let's see what we can get in here for these pigs. All right, we've got to fit 3 of them in now. So let's see, I can put this on top. Can you guys see that? I'll do it this way. Probably would be even stronger if I just had Legos. But again, I'm using what I have at my house. Oh, and you know what? They have a chimney on that brick house, right? And I have this extra block. I'll just put it there, see if that helps it be even stronger. I mean, I will say that's pretty sturdy, but I had built that stick house sturdier than I realized. It took a lot to blow it down. All right, so here we go. We got the house, and who comes along? Big and Bad. That's right, Big Bad Wolf. So he knocks on the door. Little pigs, let me come in. And what did they say? Oh, no, not by the hair on our chinny chin chins. And he said, then I'll huff and I'll puff and I will blow your house in. So here we go. We're going to huff and puff with the blow dryer, of course. So he huffed and he puffed and he huffed and he puffed. Whoop, the chimney fell off. I'm going to put the chimney right there. I got to hook it on something. Friends, that house is not blowing down. You know, in our song, the wolf said, "This house ain't budging." And at the end of the song, she says, so if you build a house for yourself, use bricks, right? The little pigs were safe. Now, you guys remember the end of the story. What did Big and Bad do? That's right. He decided to go down the chimney, and they had waiting for him. I don't actually have water, but we did check out temperatures of waters last week. So if we put the thermometer in the water at the pig's house, the red would have been all the way to the top. And it burned the wolf's tail, burned his bottom. And he ran away as fast as he could. And the 3 little pigs never saw the Big Bad Wolf again. And they built a huge house all together, right? All right, friends, I am excited to see if you can build some sort of